In this video, I'm going to show you how to master voice-first workflows using Wispr Flow to boost your team's productivity. Let's get started. I'm starting with this guide that explains how voice-first communication can save remote teams over 10 hours every single week. As I scroll through the TLDR, it's clear that replacing typing with speaking solves major bottlenecks like speed and a lack of context in async messages. Moving down to why this matters, I can see how typing limits our speed to about 40 words per minute, while speaking allows us to hit up to 200. This helps bridge the gap in time zones and reduces the mental overhead of constantly translating thoughts into text. Now, I'm looking at how Wispr Flow actually functions as a universal voice-to-text tool that integrates with apps like Slack, Notion, and Linear. Setting it up is straightforward. I just need to deploy it across the team and configure shared resources like dictionaries to handle our specific project jargon. For daily stand-ups and code reviews, I use voice to provide deeper explanations in a fraction of the time. I can even use it for cross-zone handoffs to ensure no detail is lost during the transition. Whether I'm in an email or a Google Doc, the AI ensures my speech is formatted perfectly for the professional context. To maintain quality, I can review the text before sending or use saved snippets for frequent phrases. Finally, I'll use the team dashboards to track our time savings and ensure we're maintaining high quality with every message sent as we transform our remote team culture. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.